Pancakes just got a huge upgrade. Here to share the secret to her blueberry yogurt pancakes is Chef Michelle Rabin from Milkmasters on the Move.
Hi.
Hi. Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, I'm so excited to be here.
I love that you've been working all morning and cooking
Slaving.
You've been slaving all morning.
Yeah.
Cooking us these beautiful pancakes. The aroma in here is incredible.
Yeah, actually, that's a lie. I haven't been slaving because these are so easy to make. They actually took me no time at all.
Okay, well, let's talk a little bit about them. What makes these blueberry yogurt pancakes so incredibly special?
Well, actually, I think the yogurt makes them special. And so I'm using local Ontario yogurt. And yogurt isn't typically an ingredient you use in pancakes.
No.
But these make them super fluffy, super tangy, so delicious, and then also packed with protein.
That's what everybody loves to hear these days.
Yeah.
The more protein, the better.
Protein
right?
is having a hot moment.
It really is.
Yeah.
Like, it is everywhere. Now, when you're making these, of course, you've coordinated it with Milkmasters on the Move. Tell me a little bit about that program.
Yeah, so it's a show, and this season we filmed it on a campsite.
Amazing.
And we basically showed how easy it is to make delicious recipes anywhere using local Ontario dairy.
Yeah.
And so I made these pancakes, and my friend Dwight Smith, he made this gorgeous corn potato chowder with trout. I mean, we cooked all day long.
Now, is this on a campfire or on a stove?
We used a stove.
Okay, because like you could go both ways, I know.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so this is it right here. Look
there,
at you.
There it is. There's me.
Cooking up your pancakes.
Yeah, and one thing that I love about these pancakes is like a buttery pan. I like when my pancakes have like an edge on them. I don't want to just
crisp.
like, yes, I don't want like the uniform brown.
Yeah.
I want like buttery, bubbly pancakes. And so I use lots of butter in the pan.
There's nothing wrong with that.
No, only right.
Yeah, there's only right with a lot of butter.
Yeah.
Okay, so if people are trying this recipe at home in their kitchen as opposed to on their campfire.
Yeah, wherever you're making it.
Any tips?
Yes, I do have a couple tips.
Okay.
I find that it's best to let the batter rest for like 10 minutes.
Oh.
It just makes it so that they don't spread. So that first pancake, which is typically like
It's
terrible.
The worst. Yeah, the worst pancake
it's because
ever.
you don't wait. Once you let the dough rest and the gluten relax, it works way better.
So impatient.
And then the second thing is I like to use an ice cream scoop, and it makes, brilliant, right?
That is super smart.
It makes every pancake the exact same size, so you're not like with one bigger, one smaller.
I'm always using a soup ladle, and this is ridiculous.
I know, and this has a quick release, so it'll just come right out.
Brilliant.
Yeah, and that's, those are my hot tips.
And that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, well, this is such a great breakfast for at home or camping. Are we going to flip that?
Yeah, let's do it.
Here we go.
Not my first one, though.
No.
But again, so easy.
Oh,
and
it's
perfect.
perfect.
Yeah, perfect every time.
Look at you. When I first came in here, she was like, oh, I screwed this pancake up. It's because you're in here.
No one saw that, though.
But now they know about it. Can I try one of these pancakes?
Yes, please. Enjoy. There's maple syrup, there's blueberries, there's butter, however you like.
Oh my goodness. Now there's lots of different ingredients that you can put in the pancakes.
Yeah, I mean, if you're using really thick yogurt, I suggest kind of taking some milk and loosening up the batter a little bit. But yeah, you can make pancakes with just milk.
But you could add all the fruit that you want too,
couldn't you? Oh my God,
you?
yes, of course. Strawberries, blueberries, bananas.
So excited.
What do you think? So good, right?
Oh my gosh, that might be the best pancake I've ever had.
Stop.
I'm not joking.
Okay, well, you can find the recipe and watch the show on youtube.com/Dairy Farmers Ontario.
What's next for you?
Like in life? Or like today?
Or food. Yeah, what are you doing about an hour?
Well, you know what? I have no idea. This is all I planned for the day. Just pancakes and relaxing.
Yeah, I think that's a really good start to the day for sure. Okay, website. You guys have a website, Milk on the Move?
Well, I mean, you can find the show on YouTube, like I just mentioned. And then, you know, if you're curious about more, go to Dairy Farmers of Ontario.
Yeah, okay, amazing. And of course, Michelle, we're gonna have all the information for you on our website as well.
One more pancake for you.
Oh my God, pile it on.
Yeah.
Bring it on. All right, that's it for us on Morning Live.
Bye.
Have yourself a great day and go home and make some blueberry yogurt pancakes.
Please do.
They're
so good.
Delish.